Hi, my superhero. Welcome to another interesting class. Today we are going to be wrapping up grade 1, mode 1 with its last lesson 39. So are you set? Alright, it says, I can analyze the addition chart to create sets of related addition and subtraction facts. So can we begin? Alright, over to application problem. Listen to the story. John has 10 pencils. Mark has 9 pencils. Anna has 8 pencils. So I'm going to take note of those numbers. Are you ready? 10 pencils for John, 9 pencils for Mark, and 8 pencils for who? Anna. Now, they each lost 2 of their pencils. Each there means every single one of them lost 2 of their pencils. So that means John lost 2 pencils, so minus 2. Lost means to go away. So he lost 2, so 2 went out. Then Mark also lost 2 pencils, so minus 2. Anna also lost 2 pencils, minus 2. Okay, let's continue. Now, how many do they each have now? That means how many pencils do each of them now have? Ready? So, I'm going to solve the first for John. 10 minus 2 will give us what? Can we count on 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So that gives us 8. Yes. So 10 minus 2 will give us 8. Then the next 9 minus 2 will give us what? Let's count on 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that is 7. Very good. And the last for Anna is going to be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that will be 6 fingers. Very good. So we've gotten the answer. That means John has 8 pencils left. What about Mark? 7 pencils left. And what about Anna? 6 pencils left. Very good. Okay, so let's move on. Now we're going to decompose 10 numbers at the signal. So listen carefully, answer at the signal. What is 14? They say 10 way. 10 4. Very good. 12 is 10 and 2. That is 10 2. Do you see that? It's so simple. What about 17? 17 is 7 and 10. Do you see that? I just alternated the numbers. Instead of saying 10 7, then I said 7 and 10. It's still the same thing. They will all give us 17. What about 19? This is 10 way. 10 9. Very good. 13 is 10 and 3. 10 and what? 3. Very good. What about 16? 6 and 10. Or 10 6. You see that? Very good. All these are 10 numbers. All these are what? 10 numbers. Very good. Now we're going to be looking at decomposing 10 numbers. Decomposing what? 10 numbers. For example, if you look at this part of your screen, you can see various numbers that are being added together to make 10 numbers. For example, 11 is 10 and 1, or 11 is 1 and what? 10. Do you see that? All these are 10 numbers and the decomposition of what? 10 numbers. Very good. Okay, so the same thing. Now let's go over to a number bond row. A number bond what? Row. Listen carefully. Work with a partner. Each partner rolls a die. Use the number on your own dial and your partner's dial as the parts of a number bond. Write the number bond, 2 addition sentences and 2 subtraction sentences on your boards. Check each other's work. For example, I am your partner and I rolled 4 and you rolled maybe 2. Right? So they said write the number bond. So that will be 6 as the whole, my 4 and your 2. You see that? Now write 2 addition sentences. So that means 4 plus 2 equals to what's the whole? 6. The second addition sentence will be 2 plus 4 equal to 6. Now what about the 2 subtraction sentences? Oh, let me erase this. Forgive me. Okay. The 2 subtraction sentences will now be 6 minus 4 equal to 2. Or, which is the next one now, 6 minus, I'll bring the 2 inside, 2 equal to 4. So these are my number sentences. It's so interesting, right? Yes. Alright. Now this is our worksheet. Okay. They said there are other number sentences that have the same parts and total. Decide what they could be and write them down. Now they are pointing to something which is 5 plus 2. Can you see that? 5 plus 2. Alright. So they said there are other number sentences that have the same parts and total. First of all, what's the total of 5 plus 2? If I add 5 and 2 together, I will get 7. So 7 will be my whole. Do you see that? Now, what are the other number sentences that have the same parts and total? Okay, let's focus on the total right now. This is 7 as the total. What about other number sentences that will give us this same total? For example, I have 5 plus 2. If I go upwards, I'll see 4 plus 3. If I go upwards like this, I'm seeing 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 will also give me 7. I taught you in lesson 38 that you can always trace it down. You see that? So the first row, that's the total. So when I go up, all these numbers will give me 7, 7, 7, 7, and so on. So 4 and 3 will also give me 7, just like 5 and 2. Just like what? 5 and 2. So I'll put my 7 as the whole and 4 and 3. Because 4 and 3 will also give me the total. The same thing with 6 and 1 and so on. Okay, so we are coming to the end of today's class. Hope you're enjoying yourself. Now the next activity is called partner activity. Yes, partner activity. I am going to assign you and your partner one of these number bonds. Make as many number sentences as possible. Make a poster to share with the class. So let me pick one number bond for you and your partner. Let me pick number bond 5. That is 9 is the whole. Alright. I'm picking this number bond. 9 is the whole. 2 and 7 are the parts. Now they said make as many number sentences as possible. Good. Now from this number bond I want to make a number sentence, just one for a start, then we'll make others. Are you ready? So I can say 9, a subtraction sentence, yeah? So I can say 9 minus 2 equals to 7. I can even say 9 minus 7 equals to 2. Or I can even say 2 plus 7 will give us what? 9. Good. Or 7 plus 2 will give us 9. You see that? Don't forget, I told you before, when adding, the whole will come last after the equal to sign. When subtracting, the whole will come first because the larger number. Okay, so that's fun. Now over to the next activity for today. It said study the addition chart to solve and write the related problems. Now they said pick a subtraction card, find the related addition fact on the chart and make it and shade it in. Now I want to pick a card. The card I'm giving to you will be let me pick 7 minus 3. Yeah, let me put 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3. So find the related addition fact on the chart and shade it in. So what is the related addition chart? First of all, 7 minus 3 will give us what? If we count on 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that's 4. So 7 minus 3 will give us 4. Alright, so that means I have to look for the numbers that will give me 7. Alright, starting from where I have 7 in my first row, I'll climb up anywhere I see 3, because 3 and something will give us a 7. Alright, so starting from 7, I'll look for anywhere I have 3, I'll stop. Yes, I'm there. 4 and 3. You see that? I will just say that 3 or 7 minus 3 gave us what? 4. So that means the 3 and the 4, or the 4 and the 3 are making what? 7. So that's the related addition fact. So what's the answer? 4 plus 3. Or you can even say 3 plus 4. They are the same thing. They will give us the same total, which is 7. Do you understand? Yes. So let's shade it now. It says shade the related addition fact. Okay. So let me shade it. You see that? I'm shading that now. So I am done. Good. So simple. The next, it said choose an expression card and write 4 problems that use the same parts in total. Shade the total orange. Ready? So I'm going to pick 6 minus 4. I'm going to write 4 problems that use the same parts in total. So 6 minus 4, first of all, 6 minus 4 minus 4 will give us what? 2. Now, the next number sentence is the addition. So I can say 4 plus 2 give us 6. Now the next one can be subtraction again. It will also be addition, because I have to alternate this addition sentence, alright, before I can go back to my subtraction sentence. So let me alternate now. Instead of saying 4 plus 2, I can now say 2 plus 4 equal to what? 6. But where's my plus sign? It's there. They gave us a space, so I have to write it inside. You see that? Good. And the last now will be the alternating of the first subtraction sentence, which will be 6 minus 2. You see that? Equals to 4. Where is minus sign to be inside the circle? Inside this what? Circle. So 6 minus 2 equals to 4. 2 plus 4 equal to 6. Or 4 plus 2 equal to 6. Or 6 minus 4 equal to 2. Very good. This is one part of the story. So I'm leave the other part, alright, for you to solve. Pick other cards. I picked 6 minus 4. That was mine. So that's gonna be all for today's class. Wow, I've come to the end of grade 1 mode 1. So our next lesson will be lesson 1 on grade 1 mode 2. Are you ready to go to grade 1 mode 2? Yes. Okay, I'll see you in our next class. Stay safe and take care of yourself. Don't forget, I love you. Bye.